Ahead of the Christmas celebrations, the governor of Delta State, Okowa, has donated 10 vans to the Delta State Police Command as part of activities to stop criminals in the state. According to the State Commissioner of Police, Zaina Ibrahim, security vans were to assist the new Special Security Unit codenamed Eagle Net that was created by the Police Command in tackling special security challenges. For Governor Okowa, security of residents of the state is paramount, and that's why his administration will take such steps, not in spite of the current economic realities.
That there was a need to create a special unit in Delta State to attend to these security challenges and to ensure that we return peace to our people. And we did make a promise at the State Security Council meeting that in the first instance we will provide 10 Hilux vehicles for you to start off the unit, and as the finances does improve, we improve on the number of vehicles. So in fulfillment of our promise to the Nigerian police and to support the units that we have already created and trained, we wish to formally this morning present the keys on the vehicles, 10 Hilux vehicles as we did promise, and hoping that in very short course we will also be providing more vehicles.